right? So now let us go here is that along with our diagram, the human endocrine system. Okay, first we go with that paragraph, then we go with that the diagram, right? Human endocrine system, let us discuss. The endocrine glands, hormone producing diffused tissues, cells located in a different parts of our body constitute that endocrine system. So now endocrine system gathered together, that is pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, parathyroid, thymus and gonads. Gonads is equal to testes in male and ovaries in a female, or organized as a endocrine bodies in our body. Very, very important students here. From the following, how many are that organized endocrine glands? Organized endocrine glands in the sense, you can see in the diagram, pineal gland, and then pituitary gland, parathyroid gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, and testes and ovaries. Right? So what's the meaning of organized and inorganized? Organized endocrine glands in the sense it will do only that hormone secretion function only. It has that single role that's going to be produced, that's going to be synthesized, that's going to be released hormones alone. That is called here organized endocrine system or organized endocrine glands. Let us see here what is meant by unorganized. Unorganized in the sense, the second line, it's going to be the second paragraph going to be tell to us. That is, in addition to this in the sense, in addition to organized endocrine glands, organized endocrine organs, there will be unorganized. That means, which going to be do the dual function. Okay, that's like having like a main function one thing, and another one is that accessory function, means supporting function, releasing of hormone. Okay, let us say here we go with that. Some of the organs like gastrointestinal tract, liver, kidney, heart also will produce the hormones. Very good. Actually, what's the main function of kidney? What is the main function of kidney, students? So the main function of the kidney here to filters that blood. Nitrogenous waste going to be filtered by the kidney. Okay, what is the heart here? Pumping the blood. This is the main function. But here if you go with that, heart is also able to produce hormone, that is ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. You understand, kids? So that's what here, atrial natriuretic factor, which is going to be come from the heart. Actually main function of the heart is transport of the blood, but here it is also able to do hormone secretion. Hence it is unorganized endocrine gland. Now let us say kidney. Kidney, actually what happens here, it's going to be filters the blood, nitrogenous waste going to be filters. But here kidney also will produce the hormones. Let us say here the hormone name is nothing but erythropoietin, secreted by this kidney. Renin, secreted by the kidney. So that means here the kidney going to be perform the filtration of the blood, nitrogenous waste purpose, it's going to be filtered, as well as it's going to be produce the hormones. Hence this is unorganized, which going to be do the dual function. Main function will be something, secondary function or another function will be here producing of hormones. Hence this comes under unorganized. Alright, now the liver. Liver main function here to produce the bile, to detoxification of the substances. Okay, so now here to make that ammonia into the urea. Okay, these are all the functions we can consider like a liver, right? But here along with that, it is also going to be produce growth factors. Okay, some of the growth factors are produced by this liver. Hence this is also comes under unorganized endocrine gland. Right, now let us say here gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract main function, GIT main function, digestion. Okay, whatever we are eating, it's going to be digested and the nutrition going to be supplied to that every body part. That's only right. But here it is also going to be released that some of the hormones like a gastrin, okay, and then GIP, gastrin inhibitory peptide, CCK, cholecystokinin, okay, and secretin, which is the first discovered hormone, secretin. These are all going to be produced by gastrointestinal tract. Now here is also main function is digestion, secondary function is nothing but here releasing of the hormone. Hence, these organs going to be unorganized endocrine glands. From the following, how many of the unorganized endocrine glands are there? Pick out. This is the question going to be given to you. Right? So this is already asked here in a 2013. You can see that here 2013 they have been asked this question. Alright, so that's about here. A brief account of structure and functions of all major endocrine glands and hypothalamus of the human body are given in the following sections. And diagram based question, you can see that here in this diagram based question.